Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm playing Puppet Soccer Champions 2015. I will begin. And by the way, I have Ronaldo. That's a good thing. I have Ronaldo. If you don't know who's Ronaldo, he's a soccer player. And this is a type of game. I'm gonna start. So, as you can see, you have to buy a lot of players and stuff. Now get in it. I'll start in 3, 2, 1. Bruh. Por ahí. ¡Qué gol! Come on. I have wings. I'm fast. Go. Yes, qué gol by Cristiano Ronaldo. What the hell? No! Why do I keep hitting the post? I used to be the best with Cristiano. Got really big. Let's go! Woo! Oh my god! I was gonna make that. Yo iba a hacer un golazo. And yeah, I only played 2 channels. So I only played 2 games at each thing. So yeah, I can do this. No. I'm strong. And by the way, strong means you can hit hard, really hard. It's like I'm Ronaldo, I can really hit really. I shouldn't have jumped up. What? Yes! Listen. I'm bored. What? Guys, I'll be back in a second. Please wait. How do you play the game? I'll be back in a second, guys. I just need a little wait. Never mind. It's so hard. This is my first ever video. So, by the way, I'm only gonna play today. Thank you. Thank you, and I'll show up later. Bye, and drop a like too, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and goodbye. Did you stop? Oh, wait, okay.